A number of obstacles in the work environment can inhibit learning and transfer of training. For example, a lack of opportunity to perform, a lack of resources, discouraging peers, or managers that see training as a waste of time. All of these factors are going to make it that much more difficult for trainees to learn what they're supposed to learn and then use that information on the job. A supportive work environment is crucial to the success of any one training program and to the entire training and development system. Both managers and employees should see training as something that is important to job success, and they should encourage others to attend, participate in, and learn from training. Because the training task somewhat mimics the job task, there will be certain aspects of the job that will cue or trigger trainees' memories. We want that. We want the job situation to provide cues that then help trainees remember the things they learned in training. Trainees should receive feedback, but they should also be encouraged to participate and give feedback about the trainers, about their coworkers' performance in training programs, and about the training programs themselves. Trainees should be encouraged to make mistakes so long as they learn from them. The work environment should provide rewards that motivate people both intrinsically, from within, and extrinsically. The intrinsic rewards are really the ones that we're trying to leverage because they don't cost anything. Some people may be motivated by a sense of accomplishment or a sense of affiliation, wanting to spend time with other people and interact with them. Training should allow for people to meet these needs in order to motivate them to continue learning and to participate and to get the most out of the training program. They may also be motivated extrinsically by things like certificates or bonuses or social recognition for completing the program. You've learned about a lot of different strategies that can be used to enhance learning and transfer of training. Armed with these strategies, you can now identify some of the features of any particular training program that need to be adjusted in order to improve it and make it more effective.